Hello, guys. Heartily welcome to That Coding Bro. Today, our topic is the most interesting topic, and many people are suffering to take a decision why one should attempt for GATE exam. What is GATE exam, and what are the things related to GATE exam? How hard the GATE exam is. Now, coming to the benefits of GATE exam, but before going to know the benefits, first we need to know what is meant by GATE exam. It is one of the most important question for every engineering student, except especially for the people who are studying in their core branches. This is not like exam like JEE Mains, which is same for all the people. In JEE Mains, if you attempt the exam, you will get in all the categories. You are eligible for triple E, ECE, CSC, mechanical, everything. But in GATE, it is separate. For every stream, there is one exam. In GATE, CSC, GATE, ECE, GATE, civil, like that. For every branch, there is exam. Okay. First of all, before entering to the topic, we need to know what is meant by GATE. What is meant by GATE? GATE is nothing but graduate aptitude test in engineering. Graduate aptitude test in engineering. It is an examination that primarily tests the undergraduate subjects of their core subjects. Means they will know whether you are strong in the basics of your perfect stream. Like I am from CSC, whether I am good at basics or not, and what is my knowledge regarding my subjects. For example, see, I am from CSC. Okay, I will have all the CSC subjects like data structures, C programming, followed by compiler design, theory of computation, and digital logic design, followed by total there are 12 subjects. In these 12 subjects, engineering, mathematics, and aptitude are common for all the people because these two are the skills required by everyone. So it is common. Out of that, out of 100%, 13% is engineering mathematics, 15% is aptitude, remaining is your core subject. Okay, core subject, whatever the thing it is. I am CSC, for me it's CSC, for you people ECE, then it is ECE, next civil, whatever the subject it is your subject. This is primarily the division of GATE exam, and the GATE exam total marks is 65. GATE exam total questions are 65 and total marks you can obtain is 100. This is the basic of GATE exam. What is GATE exam? Marks, weightage. These are the things of GATE exam. Okay. Now let's move on. This is what is GATE exam. Okay. Now, what are the benefits of GATE exam? Why one should attempt GATE exam? See, first, what is the benefit? See, if you are attempting the GATE exam, you will be very knowledgeable in your core subjects. Means you will be perfect compared to your remaining people who are studying only semester syllabus. You are 100% better than those people. Once try the GATE exam, every engineer must try because it will prove your basic level on your core subjects. Okay. Now coming to the benefits. First of all, this exam is organized by IITs and IIS. Majorly IITs only. They will organize this exam. They will give the question paper. They will give question paper. If you can solve this question paper, then you are very strong in basics, and you can prove that I am a person who was certified by an IIT people. Like that, you will get a perfect your power. Like I am a certified good person in my core in your branch. Okay. Now benefits. Coming to the benefits, first you will gain more knowledge. You will gain more knowledge 100%. Ask your siblings or your cousins or your seniors who wrote exam. Ask them. You will gain 100% knowledge. Next, coming to the benefits, you can study in tier 1 colleges. Tier 1 colleges are nothing but IITs, NITs, IASC, triple ITs. You can study in these colleges for 2 years, doing your MTech degree, or 3 years for MSc degree, like that. MS, you can do MS, MTech in these tier 1 colleges. Now coming to another benefit. Now some of the foreign colleges also offering to study abroad by considering this exam. In that colleges, one of the thing is National University of Singapore and Nanyang Technological University. People are allowing you to do MTech, MS abroad. And while studying in this college, you will get a stipend, nothing but salary. You can think approximately 12,400 every month. You will get a salary while studying in this college. These are some benefits. Now coming to another benefits, you can apply for PSUs, means public service undertakings. Okay, you can apply for this. And some of the benefits like Baba Atomic Research Center, BARC, and you can do some MBA also possible. Based on your interest, you can do anything. These are the benefits. And when you go for some companies, if you tell you are gate qualified, then you can skip some interview rounds. For example, for every people there are 5 rounds. If you are qualified gate, you can directly skip 3 to 4 rounds. Like that, some benefits will be provided in some companies, and you can add a statement in your resume that I am gate qualified. It is a privilege that you qualified the exam, prestigious exam, which was conducted by IITs. And qualifying gate is not a very difficult task, but it is somewhat difficult. Who has good knowledge and a better practice can qualify the gate exam. Think, every year, if 1 lakh people participates in gate exam, only 12,000 to 18,000 people will qualify. See how tough it is. For every, I think, for every 5, only 1 will pass. Isn't it? Not 5. 5 to 9 students, only 1 student will pass. It is somewhat a difficult exam. And think, GATE is only the not exam in your life. Try the GATE exam. If you succeed, enjoy. If you not, go try again. Else you go choose another way. Don't think it is the exam and it is the life. GATE is very important, but it is not everything. Focus on what you are doing and what is important for you. And if you want such motivation like how to crack the GATE exam, don't focus on the result. Gain knowledge. See, simply gain knowledge. Daily learn something in your core subject, gain knowledge. You will crack the GATE exam. This is my formula, that never focus on result. Study, 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 gain knowledge. One day you will reach the GATE exam. See, this is where you are and this is where you want to reach. This is a journey. If you think always result, 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 you will not reach result. Focus on the journey. How to reach here, how to reach here, how to reach here. By somehow you will reach here. Okay. And I will give you one moral motivation story for for why I should attempt GATE. Think, you are a person from tier 3 college and here is a person from tier 1 college. Like you and your friend got some 6 LPA package. After 2 years, he may come 8 LPA or 10 LPA. After 10 years, he will get 30 LPA. But if you do gate exam, if you do gate exam, if you crack the gate exam and you're able to get the seat in gate exam like IIT or NIT, 2 years, 2 years, no salary. You will get only 12,400 as stipend. After that, you need to see your growth. You will get at least 15 to 10 LPA package. See, whatever the friend you do, both are same. But after 2 to 3 years, you will get approximately 25 to 30 LPA. In 4 years, you have reached this, but your friend took 10 years. This is the power of GATE exam. After completing the GATE exam, your growth will be exponential. Exponential. And you have a tag like IIT, NIT. You will have a tag. You are different to all the people. This is the thing why people refer GATE and why the GATE exam is tougher, because all people will compete and there are only approximately some 6 to 7,000 seats. So the competition is very high compared to MS degrees in foreign or abroad. So try GATE exam, uh, gain more knowledge. In worst case, what you will get? In best case, you will get seat in this. In worst case, you will gain knowledge. With this knowledge, if you was unable to get the same package, somehow you will reach. Both people difference only tag, but you are equivalent to those people in terms of knowledge. Okay, that is the power of GATE exam. So try to crack it. Happy learning. I hope I cleared all of your people doubts. Okay, go to websites like, if you want to study in free, then go for GATE Vidyalay website, GATE Vidyalaya. If you want a perfect dedication with motivation and a best source, then go and buy an academy. They are 100%, they will provide worth, 100% worth for your money. I took CSC subscription and I was enjoyed a lot, not in terms of fun or that. I gained a lot of knowledge which is not available through books or your friends. It is available for the perfect teachers. The perfect teachers are in an academy. So you go to an academy and you explore the GATE exam and you will learn a lot of things. Thank you. Thank you very much. I am thinking that I cleared all of your doubts regarding GATE exam.